Open the package and take out all the parts. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Grip the handlebars and turn the forks toward the front. And screw the stem cap screws, and remove the stem cap. Attach the grips to the handlebar and adjust the angle of the grips by gently tightening the screws first. Tighten again in diagonal order. Step 2. Assemble the pedals. The markings on the pedals distinguish left from right. R is the right foot pedal, L is the left foot pedal. Start by rotating the pedals toward the front of the bike and screwing them into the cranks. Tighten both pedals toward the front of the bike. Step 3. Assemble the saddle. After releasing the seat post clamp, insert the saddle into the seat post over the minimum safety line. Rotate the trigger to adjust the tightness. Press the seat post clamp quick release lever at the right pressure. Step 4. Assemble other accessories. White reflector mounted on handlebar. Red reflector mounted on saddle tube. Step 5. Adjusting the brake line. If the brakes are too loose, you can loosen the screws shown in the video. After tightening the brake cable, retighten the screws to adjust the brake tension. To the end of this installation, if you have any questions, please contact us.